It is so terrible that the child's two eyes have different visions. Generally, the refractive status of our eyes varies. Mild refractive status has little effect on the health of the eyes. However, too large difference in refractive status, or more than 2.5 diopters, will cause harm to health to some extent. Please subscribe to me, and I will tell you correct knowledge. So, how dangerous is anisometropia? The first is binocular single vision disorder. It is impossible to see an object as a complete one without folding image, which will affect advanced visual functions. At the same time, it also forms strabismus. If perceptual amblyopia has been formed in one eye, the amblyopic eye is separated because it cannot focus on the subject, resulting in sensory exotropia. Strabismus not only affects the function and development of vision, but also affects the appearance, causing the children's psychological inferiority complex and bringing negative emotions. I've been engaged in science popularization for 19 years. Please give me a like, subscribe to me, and forward this video if you like it. Different diopters also lead to amblyopia. When anisometropia is severe, the eyes with poor visions are suppressed for a long time, resulting in anisometropic amblyopia. Of course, there is also visual fatigue. Due to the different degree of refraction or size of the eyes, the focus position of the image is asymmetric, but the adjustment effect of the human eye is equal and synchronous, so asthenopia of accommodation will occur. Please subscribe to me, and I will show you more visual problems.